Hey guys, Caleb with Stain and Seal Experts. I'm out here on a job. As you can see, we got this 5-rail crossbuck, new construction. We're in College Grove, Tennessee. Beautiful town, a lot of black fences here. We're gonna stain this one black. I'm gonna give you a tip on masking. With oil-based stains, we normally don't mask things, but we're masking these rock walls here, these columns. And I'll show you a little tip on how to get your plastic through when these fence builders get it a little tight. So normally we'd use these big boards. On this one, it's a little windy. We're gonna go ahead and mask it. It's tight in here. There's some places where you can't get your plastic through without tearing it. So we keep a handsaw on the truck, and we're just gonna run through here and buzz these off real quick. All right, I made my adjustments. Nobody can ever know, but we did. We just buzzed the little corners off just so we can get our plastic through. Makes life easy. Hey, look over my shoulder here. Check out this black stain that's going on. I'll give you a close-up of it. All right, we got our test run done. Everything's looking good. We're gonna move up here and get this fence stained.